Welcome to this video about SaberES Designer's harness architecture feature. Here is what we are going to see in this video. First, I will introduce SaberES Designer tool for harness design and validation. Next, I will explain harness architecture feature of SaberES Designer. Then I will walk you through the benefits of using harness architecture, specifically about how it can help you to accelerate the design cycle, improve quality, and to reduce the time to market for your products. And finally, I will wrap up with a quick summary. Let's start with the overview of SaberES Designer. SaberES Designer is a unified tool for electrical system and wiring harness design from concept to manufacturing. Be it industrial machineries or automotive or aerospace, wiring harness is quite complex in nature. SaberES Designer handles system-wide design variants and enables you to design wiring harnesses for a variety of complex systems and vehicle models. It supports concurrent engineering by offering robust check-in and check-out mechanism from single design database and maintains data integrity through top-down connected design flow. It allows efficient integration with leading 3D MCAD systems such as CATIA, Creo, and Siemens NX. SaberES Designer is an ISO 26262 certified tool, and it enables you to make wiring harness designs with functional safety. With the integrated simulation environment, you can do various simulations ranging from basic voltage drop analysis to advanced fault and robust design analysis. Now let's see what is harness architecture. Harness architecture is a 2D representation of complete vehicle wiring topology. It includes all the wiring harness paths and interconnection between various components and ground terminals. It is not a mechanical drawing to scale, but it captures all the electrical components and the electrical interconnections between them. You can easily create a harness architecture design by placing the required components and interconnecting them by adding harness paths. Harness paths are displayed in different colors as per your set rules in SaberES Designer for easy identification. You can also use inline connectors from your predefined inline connector library to interconnect various harnesses together. These harness architecture drawings are stored in a reusable harness architecture library, and then they can be imported into the downstream design flow to create a wiring design in an automated generative approach. Harness architecture import significantly reduces the time spent in making a wiring design. Let's take a quick look at the overall wiring design flow in SaberES Designer and see how harness architecture helps to accelerate the wiring design. The harness design flow starts from making the system design by placing the required subsystem designs together from the subsystem library. Subsystem designs are reusable schematics with logical connections that represent a specific function such as exterior lights, braking, engine controls, and so on. From these subsystem designs, the electrical system design for the complete vehicle is made. During this process, SaberES Designer automatically checks the signal and component consistency throughout the system design and ensures correct logical connectivity between all the electrical components. The next step is to make the wiring design from the system design, where we do the harness partitioning and add the physical attributes. And finally, we make the bundle designs, which are production harness drawings, by using the associated wiring designs and 3D MCAD data. The new harness architecture feature in SaberES Designer helps to automate the manual tasks in the wiring design stage. When a harness architecture is imported into a wiring design, inline connectors are automatically placed in the wiring design, and their cavity and signal assignments are automatically done. Also, harness assignments are automatically made to all the wires, connectors, and splices in the wiring design. With the new harness architecture feature, SaberES Designer now automatically integrates the system design signal connectivity and the physical 2D harness architecture topology to synthesize the complete vehicle wiring designs very quickly. Hence, in addition to the logical connectivity between components, physical harness topology can now be reused between many vehicle projects, which accelerates the time to market for all of your products. As I mentioned upfront and showed you subsequently, here is the summary of benefits in using harness architecture. Harness architecture in SaberES Designer accelerates your harness design cycle time. Most of the wiring design manual tasks are automated with harness architecture import, and hence you get improved quality. Reuse of harness architecture between many projects enables reduced cost and time to market for your products. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.